Hello guys, it's my pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Exo Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafiu. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to block unwanted comments on your Facebook ads or on your Instagram ads. All you have to do is to watch the step by step I'm taking in this video and see how you can block unwanted comments on your ad account and on your Facebook ads, okay? But before I get the tutorial started, let me briefly explain what do I mean by blocking of unwanted comments on your Facebook ads. In a situation whereby you create adverts, not everybody have time to maintain or to manage comments from Facebook ads or from Instagram ads. You can imagine if somebody just comments 419 on your ads account or on your Facebook ad, the ad you are running live, somebody comment 419 or somebody comment you are a scammer or somebody comments fake products or somebody comments something that is not encouraging your prospective customer, and you are the type that don't have time to control the uh to maintain and manage your comment section where you run advert. All these type of things have a negative effect on the advertiser, because some people go through your comment section when you run advert before they patronize your business or before they click on your ad. So if somebody now check on that and see different negative comments on your post on your Facebook ad or on your Instagram, and we don't take note of that, definitely it's going to be a red flag for a serious buyer for you. So in this regard, I'm going to teach you guys how you can block or filter out some of the unwanted comment that can affect your Facebook ads and that can make your ad not to turn out to a great sales. Okay, so all you have to do is to watch the step I'm taking in this video and see and know the type of comments that you want to block when you are on your advert. Okay, but before I get to the tutorial started again, if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to subscribe, click on the notification bell, and then if you have any question for me as far as today's tutorial concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. I'll be glad to reply to whatsoever your question is. Okay, so this particular setting I'm talking about, you have to do it right from your Facebook page. Okay, so just follow me and see how you're going to get it done. So the first thing you have to do is to go to your Facebook business page. I'm going to access the business page right away from my Facebook account. Okay, so whichever way, all you have to do is to find your way to your business page. So this is where I'm going to locate my business page. Okay, I'm going to use this particular page right here. Okay, so next thing you have to do here uh, is to click on this setting icon at the top right here. Click on that setting icon. All right, so when you click on that, it's going to take you here. Okay, when you get to this point, you have to come to general setting. Click on general setting right here. All right, so it's going to land you right here. Okay, so this is where you have to set it up. Okay, now all you have to do is to scroll down and scroll down, and you come to content moderation. Come to content moderation. Just click on that. So I get to the content moderation, it take you here. Now here you can read content moderation. Blog posts or comments contain the following words. Now you have to come here and enter those words that you don't want people to comment successfully on your page or on your Facebook ads or on your Instagram ad. So let's say for instance, I don't want people to comment 419 on my ads. 419. I don't want people to comment fake product. I don't want people to comment scammer. I don't want people to comment scam. I don't want people to comment fraudster. Etc. So when you are done with all these things, you have to click on Save Changes. Click on Save Changes. So it has been saved. So you can see it has been saved. So if anybody come across your Facebook ads or your Instagram ads and they are trying uh, to spoil your advertisements and try to comment some unreasonable comments right here, all you have to do, once you set up some important keyword that you don't want people to comment on your ad, so anytime they are typing that type of keywords, Facebook will flag the comments. That's just the meaning. Facebook will flag the comment no matter what the person is trying to do. They are going to flag the comments. So I'm teaching you guys this thing for you that are doing a legitimate business, that are advertise a legitimate business on Facebook or on Instagram, and you are being subjected to some of this type of comments by online user. There are a lot of serious people online out there that comment unnecessary on your ads, because they don't, I don't know why some people behave in that way, but I think this feature is going to help you out, and by doing all these things, I'm sure you are going to achieve a very good result in your advert. I hope you guys learn one or two things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, give the video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly subscribe for more tips and tricks about Facebook and Instagram ads. If you have any question for me as far as today's tutorial is concerned, you can put your question in the comment section down below. Hope to see you guys in my next video. Peace.